Today I have a super beginner-friendly project for you guys. This is what we're making. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca and I redesign old thrifted items and I show you step by step how to do it. Wait a minute. Okay. My husband and I, we have been making a kids playroom downstairs in our basement, and the theme in the playroom is forest. Trees around on the walls. I have been painting a lot of green tones, so I wanted to have a leaf on the floor so that it fits the theme. So I got the idea to make this quilted leaf blanket. This project is beginner friendly and it's perfect to make as a gift to someone. Maybe you know someone who is expecting a baby, or for someone's playroom as the core element in a room. I can guarantee you that this is a project you'll have a lot of fun with, and it's going to be a quick project, so it's not going to be a super time-consuming project. So if you want a project that you can finish in about a few hours, this is the perfect project for that. For this blanket, I chose to use I don't know what this fabric is called, but I will type it in so that you can know the word for this fabric, but it is a curtain. So if you want to know how I made this, stay tuned for this video and let's get started. Okay, so we're starting this project off with finding some batting, and I'm starting to free draw the leaf shape that I want, and you can find photo references for this if you find it hard to draw with freehand. And I'm also trying to figure out where I want to have a little split in the leaf, and I'm trying different places to see where I like it the most. And then I'm just cutting out the shape in the batting first, and I'm not cutting out the little split just yet. Then I'm finding my velour curtain and I'm folding it right side facing each other, and then I'm pinning alongside the leaf. And after I've pinned all around, I'm going to cut out the leaf with about 1 centimeter seam allowance. After I've cut out the leaf, I'm going to sew all the way around the leaf, leaving a little gap. I'm sewing with about 1 centimeter seam allowance. After I've sewed all the way around, I am drawing on the center of the leaf, on the wrong side of the leaf, and then I'm trying to figure out where I want to have the split, and I'm also trying to visualize all the lines that are going from a leaf, in a leaf petal. Then I'm going to pin some needles along the split, and then I'm sewing the split, and then I'm cutting out the excess fabric. Making sure that I cut as close to the seam as possible so that when I flip the leaf around, the split is going to be nice and flat. I'm making sure that all the corners are sharp and nice, and as I turned it around, I saw that the split needed to be cut even more closely to the seam because it was hard to make it flat. But now it's smooth and flat. Next, I'm inserting the batting leaf that I cut out earlier, and I'm making sure that all the corners and everything is smoothed out inside of the leaf, and then I'm pinning down the center of the leaf and also along the outline of the leaf. I'm sewing the outline on the whole leaf with about 1 centimeter seam allowance. After I've sewed down the middle section, I'm dividing the leaf in different sections, and I'm starting with 3 different seams that are going out from the center, and then in the center of those again, I'm sewing another seam in between those. After that, I'm just cutting away all the excess threads that I didn't cut out earlier, and the leaf is done. And this is super cozy, and it's going to be so beautiful to have here down in the basement in the playroom. It's super dark down here now because we haven't installed lighting yet, but it's going to be so nice when it's done, and it's going to work well with the forest theme that we have going on here. So here is the leaf. I'm super happy with the result, and this is perfect to make for someone as a gift or just to have in your home. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that you will try it out yourself. It's a super beginner friendly project. That's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and that you enjoyed this quick and easy DIY. And please let me know in the comments down below what you want me to make next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. I put out new videos every Friday, and I will talk to you guys next Friday. Bye!